at the local center. Okay. Okay. So, guys, yeah, I got to do it. Moving. No, not moving. Just kidding. But no, so I got the ones. But actually, see, we got a lot of ants. Yeah, so Saturday or the day they kill all the ants. So I'm just gonna die. Talking about it, doing that. Let's get something to do up. What the fuck? Okay. Are you guys okay? Okay. So yes, this video's name is trying to get on the roof. That is the video's name. Ik breng aan over de roof. Dat ze dit doen dit uitsturen. Okay, today what happened yesterday. Yesterday was my name's Siri. Today, scary day. I like talk around in the wall trying to get that thing off. So then I'm talking. So So I think this is about to go to the news. You can talk about it didn't happen yesterday. So yesterday, guys, me, my auntie, we both to clean this thing. But you know what happened, guys? To close it, she take the thing. I like this. I want to say help her, but I just see and show you just what happened. So I walk in like this. See? So, guys, I walk to here. guys. And just shoot, wait it out. I jumped so up and I got to do my camera, so I'm okay, guys.